We just got a flat tire in the middle of the highway. I've never had a flat tire. Well, it's my husband's car. And look how scary this is. I mean, it's not funny, but you know, it's my nervous smile.
Look at it, please.
Crazy. Look. Tennessee Highway. The I-25. We're about to go to Colorado Springs. Sarah. I forced her to come with us, and now this.
Oh, my tire's standing up. Sure went with that gut. I just felt like something was wrong with it.
I thought it was a helicopter flying, but it was a flat tire. Ooh, the smell of burnt rubber. Good thing it didn't happen to me. You know, like I wouldn't even know what to do. I'd be like, Grant, help me.
So my friend actually posted something how she got a flat tire, but and a policeman was like, "Do you need help?" And she's like, "No, I got this." She knows how to change a flat tire.
I would totally call the police, be like, yes, I need help.
Like, no, let me just help you. And then later the policeman complimented her like, "Oh, not a lot of women would know what to do."
Dang, she knew how to do
And
it.
she's just like,
Yeah, all you women who know how to change flat tires, kudos to you. I wish I learned, but shout out to Nicole. But yeah, I've never experienced a flat tire before, like live, and this is happening right now in the highway. Oh really? Oh my gosh. Oh, actually no, it happened to me before. It happened to me before, but it happened to me at work. So it got flat at work, not like on the way, and then I found out after work. Let me get out of your way.
Oh, give me water. Too rain.
It's too ruined. What does that mean? Wow. I don't know, what are we gonna do now? This is a new experience for me with my family. Good thing the kids are not here.
"Huh?"
It's not gonna work.
Like call like a tow truck. AAA.
AAA. Good thing it's not a hot day.
Of course, also to be able to do that, you need a tire.
Oh, we don't have a spare tire?
No.
Oh, that's right. This car doesn't have a spare tire.
That was a spare.
Well, now it's totally damaged. We can't temporarily fix it. Ooh, that's hard. My poor husband. We'll see what happens next.
And a car jack and everything.
Wow.
That's a big SUV.
We should learn.
I always knew I should get a spare tire.
Yeah.
When we bought this car, I was like, ugh.
Now what?
You know? Now I gotta decide if it's better to drive slow and go fix it. Because key is right down. Stop taking me. I mean, it's pretty much on the rim, but I might be able to try it. I really don't want to wait an hour and pay 150 bucks for a tow.
Decisions. What would you do? WWYD. To call and spend more money, or just drive slow to the nearest location is our question. At least it happened on a weekend, so the roads aren't as busy.
Can you push pause for me?
Alright,
Please.
I'll give you an update later. Bye. Okay, so we called. Who did we call? Kia?
Discount tire.
Discount Tires. And it's like 10 minutes away, and they said we can drive very slowly on a flat tire as long as there's no big pothole. And do you hear that? It's like boom, 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 boom. I literally thought that was helicopter sound at first. But wow, now I know how a flat tire sounds like. It was just luck. I'm sorry. We're experiencing this together. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Oh my gosh.
Go around.
Do you have your emergency lights on?
Yeah, it's like I'm dying over here.
And the world still goes on with all the other cars flying by. We can make it. My poor hubby has to do. Life is great. I'll update this after. It's gonna be a while. Made it to Discount Tires. That's actually quick. Oh crap. This is what happened.
Let's go.
Dang, that's
Maybe it's a day for fast food.
it's pretty damaged. Discount Tire. Can't see really. Discount Tires. Was it?
It was at 7.
Okay, we're at 7. I don't even know how to read this. Tread depth. So we can just replace that one flat tire. Sweet. How do you like this experience, sister?
Yeah, the lower it goes, wet traction diminishes, hydroplaning units, which will not be good in the winter.
Nope.
It might. Let's at least walk around the shopping.
$10.96. How is that possible, Mr. Grant?
Because I buy from Discount Tires, so I got the road hazardous.
He got the hookup with Discount Tire. Thank you. And now it's not busy, so
You turn your lights off?
I probably should. I'll go do it.
it's not busy, so we're just gonna walk around and just wait till it's
I'll at least go know.
replaced. Cool.
And usually it's louder, so I was like, huh, no, maybe not. And then I started feeling it.
Yeah, I really thought it was a helicopter
you thought it was a helicopter.
there was a helicopter right above us. So, but then it sounded really near. So I'm like, oh, maybe not. But it happened so quick. Now it's
Used to go to a poke
instantaneous.
place,
Now we're gonna go to
Oh, to the bar
Safeway.
place?
no, it's one of those hipster
Yeah.
poke bars. So
Yeah.
it's not marinated. Just throw a little sauce over it.
Beautiful day though. Look how pretty these cakes. What does the fox say? A unicorn. Ooh. Cupcakes on a cake. Fall is in the air. Happy fall. Today's officially fall. Ooh, that's pretty too. Wow. This is a new Safeway, their grand opening. Look at that. Look at those glass freezer doors. So clean and new. Donuts. Found prepared foods. Mochi! Ice cream. Oh my gosh, really? Wow. Oh, there's green tea. Wow. Super cool.
Build your own.
Ooh.
Should build
Sandwiches.
pink Hawaiian or pretzel one.
Selection,
Or a
selection.
multi-grain
We eat while we wait to get our tire fixed.
I'd still rather go somewhere we can sit down. Yeah.
Touch the items to rest. Enter your ID form and touch the enter button. Place your item in the bag. 4. Place your item in the bag again.
Now we're eating at McDonald's. And we just got a phone call that the tire is all done, right?
Yep.
And guys, if you want to work at McDonald's, work at this one. Oops. Hiring up to $18. 18.
Huh?